Okay, so once again, good day. Let's proceed to the last module before midterm exam. Okay, so we are now in module 4, the C++ basic input and output. Okay, here are our objective. Utilize a basic input-output statement in creating C++ program. Apply different formatting techniques, the output of a C++ program. Use different mathematical library functions in solving problems. Okay, so sa ating C++, the input-output operators uh, take input and display output. So the use of the operator, taking input, the known as the extraction, so we can use this symbol, okay, if we input some data, no, to the from the keyboard, or the compiler allows us to input some data, while the operator used for displaying the output, we can use this symbol. Okay, so kanina, in a previous module, we try to input uh, a number which is our grade, so we use this symbol in, and the instruction in inputting the data is we use sin, no, CIN. In to output the data, we use cout, and we use also this, no, for example, cin, then we have this, then we have cout, and we have also this one. Okay, ayan. And the standard library with C++ includes header file. We can use IO string, the input output string. Okay, ayan. So of course, the standard output, um, here are the syntax. Cout, of course, this one, then the variable name. So in the previous example, no, dun sa ating module 3, we use only variable name. So meaning, the content of, or the value of this variable only display, no? Yeah. And then if we have double quote, no? Yeah, double quote, meaning this string will be displayed dun sa output device. If cout expression, so ang ano po dito, ang magdi-display po dito is true or false. Okay? True or false. Okay? Yeah. So for example, cout, output screen. So magdi-display po dito yung output screen. Then second, 120, mag-output yung sa screen ay 120. If cout x, so the value of x sa screen will display. So if we use this multiple output in one statement, so we use this symbol. Okay, we use this. Download muna tayo. Ayan. Okay. And then open. Okay. So ito po 'yun, guys. Example, cout this and this statement. So if we use this double quote, so ito yung mag-display. Then kailangan separator. Yan. Then is a, so under pa rin sa string, under pa rin sa cout. Then single C++ statement. Or pwede din diretso yung statement. Or pwede din ganito. Okay? Yeah. So, chaining insertion, ito yung tinatawag natin chaining insertion, no? Especially used in a mixed literals and variables in a single statement. So for example, an age variable contains the value of 39, and the zip code as a variable contains 1440, and the output of the previous statement would be this one. Okay, so paano natin gagawin yan? Okay, so let's try to have example, no? So example tayo, new. So, for example, i-display po natin yung variable ng age, zip code. Okay? And, yan. So, example is 1. I am, so, for example, ito yung output ha. Of course, a person include IOStream. Then, using namespace std. Then we have int main. Open. For example, yung age natin, int age. Okay. Then we have zip code. Zip code. Okay. So now, we will try to input our age and zip code. So by using scene, ganyan yung arrow. Then we have age. Okay? Pero you have to display muna yung sample cout. Ayan. Enter age. Ayan. And then ch. Ayan. And then input ulit tayo, cout. And then we have a zip code. Okay. Zip code is okay. And then we have to input CIN, okay, and zip code. Okay. Ayan. So now, let's try to display what we have input. So, cout. So, sundin natin to yung nasa natin. Cout. I am Jennifer, and my age is. So, display yung age and my years old. Years old. Tapos my zip code and my zip code. Kung katugo na ka na, katug na lang na. Magluwa pa ka? Nasa bag. Okay. So, for example, natin yung zip code ko. Zip code. And then, std colon. So, let's try to return. So, return yeah. So, let's try to output this. Compile. Save na lang. Oh! Ano yan pa? Ano yan? Okay. So, hindi na tayo gagamit niya. Okay? So, ayan. So, follow na lang. Compile. Oops. Aha, okay. Ayan. Okay. Then run. So, enter age. 38. Then zip code 1441. So I am Jennifer and my age is 38 years old. My zip code is 1441. Okay, so that is example, no? So gawa mo na ng space dyan para mas malinis. Compile ulit, run. Enter age 38. My zip code is 1441. I am Jennifer and my age is 38 years old and my zip code 1441. Okay? So that's how we use SIN or cout, CIN to input a data. So ano po yung ini-input natin? Ina-assign po natin dito sa variable. So the variable kailangan po naka-declare. Okay? So kung ano po yan, kung for example, yung weight, no? For example, weight. So, hindi po gamitin natin yun, no? Ang gagamitin po natin ay double. Double weight. So, for example, mag-enter po tayo ng weight. Cout. Enter weight. And then for example, CIN, then we have weight. Okay. So now, on my weight, lagyan na lang natin. And my weight is okay, wait. Okay, so try to compile. Oh. So age, walang semicolon. Compile. And then run. Enter age 38. Zip code is 1441. Enter weight is 32 point no. Parang 60 ako, 68.5. Ayan. Okay? So accepted kasi double yan, may decimal points. Ayan po. So it's a good example for module 4. Okay. Ayan po. So, just familiarize the terms na lang guys, no? So, this is how we use. For example, ayan, yung ginawa natin. Okay. Same lang po yan. So, I want you to try also if ever, no? Ayan. Mga data types. Okay? So, ayan lang. Simple lang guys. Gawa na tayo ng ano. So, I want you to try also this different function. But you have to use math function, no? Math library. Ayan. So, sinample natin to kanina sa module 3. But ito yung mga absolute, fabs. So, you have to try also this one. Okay? So, practice, no? So, please study na lang, no? Yan, track functions. So, round functions. So, kailangan may math.h po tayo. Okay? For IOMAN IP, So we can use these seed precisions. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I think that's all.